A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me some. How you move? You move like say you and Jesus close, or you move like say you are him enemy? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today I'm going to read from Paul letter to the Philippians them chapter 3 from verse 12 to verse 21. Me nah say me reach where me want to reach already, or that everything where Jesus called me for, me a it already. But me a press hard fi turn the kind of somebody Christ Jesus pick and want me fi be. My brother and sister, me nah say me a everything where Christ Jesus want me fi be yet. But that one sitting here, me a make sure me nah look back pon the sit them where me turn away from. Me a press hard and I look in front of me and I reach for what come. Me a push hard to go through and finish the race and forget the sitting them where God put on in a heaven for me. Cause that God called me for trust Christ Jesus for. So all of we think the way Christ Jesus want we fi think. We fi go and think that way there. But if none of you no see things that way there, God will show no and make you understand what me say. Anyway, make we go on hold on power God make we know already. So brother and sister, all I know if you live like how me live. Look for the people them will live like how me live and follow them. They sit them when me a tell you now. Me did tell you about them enough time already. And now that me a tell you again, them a make me ball. Cause enough of them people there we are calling themselves Christ Jesus follower. Them a move like say them a Christ Jesus enemy. Christ Jesus we dead upon the cross. Them people there, for them God of them belly and where them body want. They sitting them where they shouldn't shame about. And them sitting there, them a boast about. The only thing we full up them mind and they sitting them where in other world. Yeah. God going mash down them people there. But heaven a few country. And at this so the one we save we there. Jesus Christ we Lord. And we can't wait for him come back. Him a go use him power and control everything. And him a go use that same power there and change we weak body them and make them come in like fame powerful body. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.